The orchestrated objective reduction Orch-OR hypothesis, proposed by Stuart Hameroff and Roger Penrose, is a theory about the nature of consciousness that integrates quantum mechanics with neuroscience. It suggests that consciousness arises from quantum processes occurring in the microtubules of brain neurons. The hypothesis posits that consciousness arises from quantum processes in the brain, specifically in the microtubules' tiny, cylindrical protein structures within neurons. Proposed by Penrose, OR is a quantum mechanical process where the collapse of the quantum wave function, a shift from quantum superposition to a definite state, occurs due to an interaction with space-time. Geometry. Unlike conventional interpretations of quantum mechanics, OR suggests that this collapse is a non-random, intrinsic feature of the universe tied to fundamental physics. Hameroff and Penrose argue that in the brain, microtubules orchestrate these quantum wave function collapses in a way that produces conscious experience. This orchestration involves input from the environment, memory, and other neuronal processes. Microtubules are proposed to act as quantum computers, processing information through quantum states and linking quantum activity to classical neural processes. Penrose suggests that certain aspects of consciousness, such as understanding and creativity, cannot be explained by classical computation. Quantum processes provide a framework to address this gap. The hypothesis shifts the focus of consciousness studies from purely classical neural processes to quantum mechanics, suggesting that the brain operates at the intersection of quantum and classical physics. Orch-OR implies that consciousness might not be an emergent property of complex computation, but is instead deeply connected to the fabric of the universe through space-time geometry. The hypothesis bridges neuroscience and quantum mechanics, providing a unified framework to study consciousness as a physical phenomenon. Orch-OR challenges traditional materialist views that consider consciousness as merely the result of neural activity. Instead, it places consciousness within a broader quantum and cosmic context. The theory opens new avenues for interdisciplinary research involving neuroscience, quantum physics, philosophy, and even mathematics. Orch-OR suggests that replicating human consciousness in AI might require simulating quantum processes, moving beyond classical computational approaches. If consciousness is tied to quantum processes, it may exhibit non-local properties, potentially explaining phenomena like intuition, psi abilities, or interconnectedness. If validated, Orch-OR could revolutionize our understanding of consciousness, linking it not only to brain activity but to the fundamental structure of the universe.